Hello, I'm Dr. Wendy Schilling, internist, direct primary care, Ashland, Oregon. I want to talk to you about sleep hygiene. This is a companion to a video that I did on insomnia. Sleep hygiene refers to the good habits that you can do that allow you to fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and awaken in the morning feeling rested and restored. These are techniques that are very, very effective, but they're not necessarily the easiest thing to do. If you're having insomnia and you're already frustrated, you're going to have to put some commitment to this, but it does work. The studies show it can take as long as 12 weeks, although most people will see significant improvement in 4 to 6 weeks. So I'm going to break them down for you here. Number one, consistency. Pick a bedtime and pick a time in which you want to get up in the morning and try to be consistent, especially on the weekends. Sleep is not like a bank. You can't stay up for several nights in a row and then expect to sleep in extra and try to make up for it. It doesn't work that way. Pick a bedtime, pick a morning time, and stick with it. Environment. You want to make sure the room is the right temperature, and for most people that's going to be on the cooler side, cool to cold, not the extremes. Take a look at your pillow, take a look at your mattress, and make sure they're supporting your body correctly. Noise is interesting. Some people want white noise, some people want it quiet, but do what you can to control noise. Electronics. That's probably the hardest thing for people. Electronics are going to include watching television, your computer screen, and your smartphone. It is very possible to feel drowsy when you see these, but that's not the same thing as getting a restorative good sleep. If you were to watch someone walking back and forth in front of you, your eyes and brain register that in one way. If you see that exact same motion on a television screen, your brain processes it that differently. It's not the same thing. Books and Kindles are fine. They don't have the same electronic, and I'm not trying to do a commercial for Kindles, although they're fabulous. They are, in essence, like a piece of paper when your body is interpreting them. So Kindles and books are fine. Electronics, preferably not within 2 hours of bedtime. I really hope you don't have a television in your room. You don't want to go to sleep with the television on, and you don't want to watch TV from your bed. What you're trying to do is give yourself positive, good habits. You want to make sure that you associate bed with sex, bed with sleep, not bed with just lying there and watching television, because that's what you're probably already doing. You're lying there sleepy, but not sleeping. So you've got the environment, you have consistency, electronics preferably not within 2 hours of bedtime. Exercise, preferably in the morning. Doesn't have to be vigorous exercise, but you need to be able to do something. For most people, exercising in the evening is more likely to wake them up. Diet is also important. For most people, they need to not eat a heavy meal right before they go to bed. And for some people, that's an hour, sometimes 2 hours before going to bed. Alcohol is interesting for some people. It can help them sleep. For many people, it actually can interfere with their sleep pattern. So you've got the environment, you've got the electronics off, you've looked at your mattresses, you've started exercising. You want to make sure that your body recognizes daytime and nighttime. So that means as much as you can, see sunlight. If you can get outside, great. If not, at least have the windows open, especially if you're on the weekends. Open up the curtains. You need to recognize daytime and nighttime, and that will also help. Also, don't nap during the daytime. You want to save sleep for nighttime. So next step is, now you go to bed, and what do? If you are not asleep in 20 minutes, get out of bed. And I know this sound wrong because it's going to wake me up. I'm already tired. Yes, you're tired, but you're not asleep. Get out of bed. Do something that will not interfere with sleep. In other words, you don't eat, you don't get on your smartphone, you don't get on a computer, you read a book, you read a Kindle. And you might need to read for 5 or 10 minutes. You might need to read for 30 minutes, especially in the beginning. You read until you become drowsy. You go back into bed. 20 minutes again. If you are not asleep, get out of bed and repeat the process. Now, I also talked about consistency. So in the morning, when it's time to wake up and your alarm goes off, you get up, even if you just went to sleep an hour ago. What you're doing is training yourself that when you're in bed, you have sex or you have sleep, but you don't just lie there. You get out of bed. And then again, you don't nap during the day, even when you had that really terrible night. Consistency. This does work. 4 to 6 weeks, sometimes up to 12 weeks. These practices do work. Good luck with them.